position, Royal Princess. Pass to begin, followed by Katsabay, Hoki Hawk Racing on the outside is Golden Angge. Ideal View Danori inside, moving up Stormy Norman. Entry number 6, Instant. Royal Princess by about 2 lengths, followed by Katsaway in second. A Stormy Norman racing in third by the Hoki Hawk Racing in fourth. Golden Angge, Instant, Ideal View. Moving up, Senor Bon alongside is Sobrang Class. Final Impact, Bicol, Dr. Choice. Royal Princess by about 2 lengths, followed by Stormy Norman. As they race the final corner, Royal Princess by about 2 lengths, followed by Senor Bon on the outside, Stormy Norman, Bicol on the inside, but Royal Princess still leading the pack, followed by Bicol Bilateral, and nearing the finish line, Royal Princess close with Senor Bon, Bicol cuts away close, Hoki Hawk, Sobrang Class, Instant.
Of the Philtobo Grand Championship Day. And we have the presenters in our awarding ceremony here, led by Mr. Nonoy Niles, the president of the Philtobo. We also have Mr. Manny Santos, Mr. John Lagasca, and Mr. Robert Francisco. At ang nanalo po dito sa race number 13, suki daw to ni Mr. Robert Francisco, Royal Princess, okay? Owned by Mr. Erwin D. Ang kanyang representative, si Mr. Boy Raquel. At ang, ang ano po ni Mr. Boy Raquel, Papa Piolo. All right. Congratulations. Okay? Before we end this day, we would like to call on the President of the Philtobo para sa kanyang mensahe po para sa bayang mga karerista, Mr. Nonoy Niles.
Maraming salamat, Andy. Magandang gabi ho sa inyong lahat. Kami ho ay natutuwa at nandito pa kayo at nakisama sa aming panghuling karera. Sa ngalan ng pamunuan ng Philtobo, kami ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga tumulong sa amin para maging successful itong aming Philtobo Racing Week. Specifically, nagpapasalamat kami sa Philippine Racing Club for hosting our Philtobo Racing Championship, ang PCSO, ACGS, ang Philracom, ang Manila Insurance, Jade Brothers, at ang EC Pride Feeds, at ang High Grade Feeds din Richmond, sa kanilang pagtulong at pagsuporta sa aming mga karera. Sana subaybayan nyo pa ang aming ibang programa. Sa January 29 ho, yung aming Gintong Lahi Awards. Samahan nyo kami, meron kaming Awards Day at saka meron din kaming Racing Festival. At sa February 4 naman ho, yung aming Philtobo Horse Show na gagawin sa farm ho ni Mr. Manny Santos sa Jade Brothers Farm sa San Pablo, Laguna. Sana makita namin kayo doon para makita nyo rin yung mga magagandang kabayong 2-year-olds na tatakbo naman sa 2012. So sa ngalan ulit ng pamunuhan ng Philtobo, maraming salamat ho sa inyong suporta. Sana makita namin kayo ulit sa isang taon dito rin sa Santa Ana Racing Club. Thank you very much and have a good night.
Well said. On that note, Bayang Karerista, we are very much looking for next year for the 13th edition of the Philtobo Grand Championship Day. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.